Welcome to our week 4 recap video. So this week, we've worked on the mechanisms of our robot and electrical board, and we've made long strides towards our impact essay. Stay tuned to see the progress we've made.
So we've been working on the electrical board, and currently we have a fully planned layout of the electrical board. We plan to have it mounted on the sides of the hopper once we actually construct it. But for now, we've just made a mock electrical board out of wood. And we've finished wiring it completely. We're now waiting for the battery to be mounted so that we can actually turn the robot on with the mock electrical board and hopefully get the drive code done.
Greetings and salutations. I'm Simon, the Scouting Strategy Officer of 2026, and I'm going to talk to you about what we've been doing in Scouting. So in Scouting, we are currently entirely focused on making our Scouting app for this year. Currently, we have worked on the Android Studio part of that, making the app part for collecting the data, and that part is fully functioning, minus the beautiful UI that will be added later. We have made the back of Excel fully, and we're currently, working on making our new Firebase based database, and that's gonna be great. That's what we've been doing with Scouting.
This week we worked a lot on catting the intake, our indexer, and our launcher. In addition to that, we've spent a lot of time adjusting their locations on the robot and spacing between all 3 of the components to make sure everything stays within the frame perimeter and we still have enough room for storage. This year, our robot drivetrain's only 27 by 27 inches, so it's really hard to pack everything together. We also want to make sure we're leaving enough room for the electrical board, the battery, and other control systems related components.
So this week, as a media aspect, we've done a lot of very important things for our team Dogma. We have recorded all of our prototyping videos, all the wonderful prototypes that Justin's team has made. We've been making tremendous progress on our impact essay, presenting all that our team has worked on in this past season, in this past 3 years. We're working on to get it onto paper and to really make a nice essay that really summarizes what we've been doing as a team. Like I said, our prototyping videos, and of course we're filming this video.
So this week we made a lot of progress with our over-the-bumper intake. we've found dimensions that work very well within the frame perimeter, like extension limit, and they intake very fast, very efficiently with a lot of fuel. We're currently testing more to see if there's any more efficient dimensions, and we're in the process of CADing it so we can hopefully turn it into a real mechanism soon. That's all there is for this intake so far.
Can you speak a little bit more about how cute your smile is?
This week for the Spindexer, we continued working on our wood prototype, and we finished the box. We put it on legs, and we have a motor in the corner so that the polycarb will go around, and even though it's inside the box, it doesn't affect it. So now we're working on attaching a chain to go through from the motor into the middle where it's going to spin, and we're going to be testing a bunch of different wheels, such as the Omni wheel we've been using, and hexagon shape with brushes on each side, and a pyramid shape that will attempt to push the balls into the sides.
The launcher started off with non-existent, and then we built it, and it now is able to get up to the second floor in the stairwell. So we hope to be able to get a good accuracy and consistency with how far in a certain range where it goes.